What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol SOFI for SoFi Technologies. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. This, of course, will be more of an update since we did cover it on Friday, I believe it was. But the main thing I want to point out was that on this morning's sort of sell-off, if you will, we still made a higher low, right? So from a trend perspective, and again, this is on the 30-minute chart here, we have a low. We'll call that the major low since that was after the gap up. This in here would be your next higher low, right? This is also very technically very nuanced, but still a higher low, right? And this on this morning's sell is also a very nuanced but higher low. So all things considered, the uptrend remains intact, and we did also set a new higher high, right? I'm not going to do the same thing, but obviously higher high. This was the prior high, prior high, prior high. You get the point. And what you can start to do though is draw in a channel, right? So we're going to do that. We haven't done that yet on the channel together, so we'll try it out. So let's come in on the top end, something like that, and then drag our channel lower. And this is what we want to, of course, watch out for into the remainder of the week or just the foreseeable future, right? You're watching for this channel to play out. So as long as we remain in the channel, fine. Be bullish here inside of SoFi. You start to get concerned, though, if you break down out of the channel in a major way. So keep in mind that this is on the intraday time frame chart. From the daily, it's very steep, right? We're not expecting this trajectory here forever, but for the foreseeable future and maybe into this target at 1846, that's what you would want to see respected. So any further pullback puts in a higher low. If it ties in with the support trend line and portion of the channel there and the 1725, fantastic. You're looking out for hammer candles. You're looking out for indecision dojis, basically anything that would make you question, right? Can we get a bounce off the low end of the channel and horizontal support and then make the move back higher for the next higher high, right? That would be trend continuation in its purest, simplest form here inside of SoFi. So that's what I'm watching out for, notably the channel that we are forming higher lows, higher highs, and the uptrend still is intact, even though there was an aggressive sell-off early on in this morning's session. So that's going to wrap it up. If we do take out the bottom end of the channel, what are downside targets that need to hold? Well, notably, probably 1650, right? That would be my line in the sand, noting that that's really where we struggled to get price acceptance from in the past. Earnings obviously obliterated that, and now that we're back above, spending a couple of days above this time, I wouldn't want to see the same thing happen again, right? I wouldn't want to see a failed recapture of this critical area. So underneath 1650, not so interested. I would really wait for the next structural setup. Maybe that would be the gap fill reversal if that happens around 1527, but we'll deal with that if and when it comes. So for now, just watching this bullish channel that has developed on the SoFi 30-minute chart. If you enjoyed the video, if you learned anything new, definitely let me know down below in the comment section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description. And all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.